Well, hello YouTube, it's me, Tri-State EDC, with a Civivi pouch. This is from Mr. Cheezel. Mr. Cheezel sent me a whole bunch of goodies, including, but not limited to, this $600 Benchmade. You know? Cheezel's doing Cheezel things. I forget what the other pouch was. I have no idea. It was the high water estuary. Thank you. There, that's what it was. Anyway, we got another Civivi pouch. I don't know what's in this one. This is the last one from the Cheezel box. We're gonna get in here. We're gonna dive in here. We're gonna see what's going on inside together right now. That's right, Cheezel, thank you, sir. The last of the pouches. Oh! Save the best for last. Lord have mercy. Okay, this, I've been dying to get my hands on this. This is the Heretic Mini Pariah manual button lock, running on skiffs. Cheezel loves those skiffs. Oh, baby. Yeah, all American made, manual button lock. I've never reviewed anything from Heretic Knives. It's kind of a crime. But, yeah, they've been pumping these out lately. This is some kind of polymer, FRN maybe, on the handles, future me. It's very lightweight, super lightweight. We have a stainless steel clip, wiggly woggly. Kind of reminiscent of a Microtech clip, if you know what I'm saying. Crazy pivot. We have this, like, weird lizard skin texturing all over this thing. Big old poon poking out. Big old fligging hole. Nice texturing on the button. I like to see that. Texturing. Very grippy knife. Oh, I'm so here for this. I need to get one of these already. I haven't even opened the damn thing, and I'm like, yeah, I need one. So it is the mini, but it's still about the same size as a PM2. So it's not tiny, but I'm pretty sure the regular one's massive, like 9.5 inches or something crazy like that. So this is more my speed, more my ballpark. You know what I'm saying? Lovely. Yeah, right at about the same profile as the PM2 as well. So great size for EDC. No complaints there. Pop her open. A little soft on detent. Look at that. Very blade heavy, dude. That's crazy. Like the balancing point's like here. Because there's nothing back here. It's just a sandwich construction, 2 pieces of plastic. And there's only liners. I think there's only liners right here. So you can smoosh the handles. You can give them a smoosh. Interesting. So it's like a super lightweight EDC, but also kind of a tanky looking thing. Pretty damn thick. Jimping on the blade there. Love this blade shape. Drop point with a poon. Nice flat grind. Magna cut on the blade. Like I said, all American made. The Mini Pariah. Hell yeah, serial number 369. Nice. Good looking knife. Open size comparison. PM2. Just a hair longer, so good blade to handle ratio. Maybe if we can center all this. There you go. Pair 3. Yeah, boy. Longer. Good size for EDC. I got no issues. I love a big blade in a small handle. It gives me much joy. It's not a small handle. It's just a big handle and an even bigger blade. You know what I'm saying? Lockup. It's super solid, very nice. Ergo's in hand. Yeah, like I said, very blade heavy. There's just no weight back here at all. But choke back, easy 4-finger grip, small to medium-sized hands. Thumb on that jimping, that feels great. One thing right away, that pocket clip placement way back here, this never works. Putting a pocket clip way back here on the back spine of the handle, it never ever works. There's always, especially one with this aggressive tongue right here, that stabbed me right in the hand. If I choke back, thumb on that jimping. Other than the clip, it's very nice, it's very comfy, it's very lightweight. Choke up, get nestle in behind that poon. Yeah, that feels good. Hot spot kind of goes away. Ish. But it's still there. I still know it's there. That really bums me out, that clip placement. But whatever, there you go. Big old sharpening choil, no real finger choil, so can't really choke up. Can I pinch grip it? I can. 50, 60% of the day. It's fine. You can in a pinch. But, otherwise, it's all right. It's not the best pinch grip. But, so ergos are kind of ho-hum. I got to be honest with you. Really nice ergonomic lines. If it wasn't for this clip placement, they'd be a hell of a lot better. Because right there, I'm getting stabbed. Like where I would reach into my pocket, pull this knife out, and land right here, stabbing me in the palm. And that bums me out a little bit. Bums me out. Just a tiny little bit. Otherwise, it's fine. It's fine. Anyway. Action on skiff bearings, like you said. Oh, it's scary. That D10 is mushy. Reverse flick's nice, but on the thumb flick... it's not. It works, but you gotta want it. Yeah. Reverse flick's fine. It's still really soft, like barely. It'll pop open every time, but it's not very satisfying. Coming off of some of the button locks I've been opening lately. Take this one for example, the TR3 manual. Oh, it's crispy. Oh, it's just crispy on the D10. This one's kind of ho-hum, I'm gonna be honest with you. Now, this could just be a bad one. I don't know if they're all like this, but also the fact that the handles are so thick, that whole placement's kind of wonky. I just don't have enough leverage. Reverse flick's good. Reverse flick, I can pop that open. Makes a hell of a noise. Stupid drop shut on the close. Yoink. Yoink. Just drops. Pretty loud. Really slappy. It's a real slappy action. And kind of sloppy. Yeah, that kind of bums me out. I mean, if you, it's crazy. If I just pull on it, there's no resistance. Are you seeing this? Like on a normal knife, if I do that, it doesn't pop out because there's a detent ball. And on this knife, same story, right? But this one, there's nothing. There's no... Are they all like this? Many Pariah owners, hit me up in the chat. Are they all like this? Like, completely detentless? That really bums me out, man. It's such a cool looking knife. But functionally, it's kind of missing. Left and right. Action, clip placement, ergos. It better cut. I swear to God. We gotta cut something. Magna cut. Nice tall flat grind. Love that blade shape. Let me grab by. Will it cut? Oh, for sure, baby. For sure. Did Cheezel sharpen this? I can't tell. Looks like he has. Cuts like a dream. Cuts like a dream, baby. At least it got one thing perfectly good. Perfectly right. Correct. I can't speak English this early. It cuts. It cuts real good. That's real nice. Lovely. Lovely. Man, I may need to check out another one. I may need to check out a large. The complete and utter lack of any semblance of a detent is wild. Like, there's just nothing here. There's nothing holding the blade in. See? You couldn't see that. Watch this. Watch this. Pop. Here's a regular button lock. Here's a ProTech button lock. Manual. Nothing happening. Nothing happening. At all. This one, I barely have to try. There it is. It's open. Yeesh. Well, there you go. Mini Pariah, Heretic knives. First Heretic. I still love the way this looks. I still love the idea of this knife. But execution, by the way, reversible clip. Execution, at least on this one's not that good. They are affordable, between $200 and $300, I think. Like, really not all that bad for an all-American made knife. But I wish some things need to change. I love this knife. I love this knife, but things need to change. You gotta figure this whole situation out. Yeah, and move the clip. And then it'll be beautiful. But that is it. Links down below. Grab them for yourself if you're interested. Like the video, comment, subscribe, become a channel member, Patreon member. If you're on Instagram, TikTok, and Threads, I'm out there. I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.